Okay, so last class we started talking a little bit about drawing this one here, okay? It's a dovetail slide. So what we're going to start with is this face right here, right? That's going to be our front. So the first thing I want to do is come up here under layers and go to my construction lines. And then under draw, right here, there's construction line. And I'll put a line out. Turn my polar on, all right, and I'll just draw that straight out. And then actually what I'll do, all right, if I zoom out, see how that line just goes on forever and ever and ever and ever. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is draw another construction line starting here and going up. Now that's this bottom left hand corner of that object. So I know it is 4 inches wide, so I like to use the offset command. Type in 4, select that line, move it over. Alright, and then I know it's 2.5 inches tall, so I will do offset again, 2.5, select that line, move it up. Alright, so now I can focus on this area right here, and I can create my front view. So I'll switch it back to object line now. Alright, everything we do now is going to be on a layer. So I'm going to select line, and I'll draw right on top of this construction layer. And then I know it goes up 1.5. It comes over. Not really sure, but that's okay. This line here will come up 1.5 inches. And it also will come over. And lastly, I'll grab a line. I'll go across the top. I'll bring it back at a 45. I don't know what my polar is set at. Let me make sure my polar is 45. And from here, 45, and then go ahead and trim it. And that's how I create the front view of that object. I now want to create the top and the right side, so I'm going to use the offset command again. Remember I said I wanted 2 inches in between them. So I'll select 2. And my computer is thinking. There we go. We're going to do offset, 2, offset, and offset. Now I can use rectangle, or what I can also do is I know this thing is now 8 inches deep. So I can use offset again, select 8 inches, offset that up 8, and offset that over 8. So this one here, I know is going to look like a rectangle. And I also know I can pull a line over from that spot right there for that line. This here is going to be a rectangle. And I'll switch here to hidden lines. I know I have a hidden line there. Repeat hidden line, and a hidden line there. What I can then do when I go to turn this in, I'll click on my layer thing, I'll come over to construction, and I'll turn the light bulb off. And now my construction layer has disappeared, but all my other layers are there, and my drawing is correct. So give that a try on all of the drawings for 5-58 through 5-63.